So I saw this particular style online and I decided to recreate it. And here I am trying to, recreate this hairstyle. Yeah. So come along with me and let's style this hair together. Yeah. It's so simple actually. Yeah. It's so simple, but you need the technique. Yeah. And even at the end of this video, I showed a simpler way for you to style this hair. That's in a simpler method, but it will still give you the same bow, the same fine style, and this style is even good on kids also, very good on kids. So I'm just trying to recreate it and let's see how it looks on my hair. So watch and let's see. You need to watch this video to the end, because at the end is where I did my own technique, my own style, and how you can achieve the same thing. So if you don't watch to the end, you definitely would miss this. So the method is simple. You just need to pick out some hair, a little bit at the front part, separate it and maybe twist it so it doesn't disturb your other hair. After then, you twist it down and you divide the remaining hair into two parts. Then you can twist it, and if you like, you can also weave it. But at the other side, I think I weaved it anyways. Just watch. So I twisted this part, and so like I said, it's simple. Just watch the process of how I achieved or recreated that look at the beginning of this video. So then after you twisted both sides, you have to fold it in behind. You fold it behind. Then the one at the front that you left, you need to twist it around it to make it stand. To make those two parts connect together, then you can form your bow, right? So you can see it's giving already. It's giving. My hair is kind of due, so it's not palmed, like it's not flat like expected. But anyways, you have to manage it as long as it's giving the style. So that one doesn't matter. So this same side, you do the same thing, right? Basically the same thing, nothing different. So you just need to pack your hair. If you like it upper, to come to the up part, it's fine. If you want it to be in the middle, it's fine. If you want it to go back, it's fine. So you just do the same thing. You can twist the front or braid it, and you divide both sides and move it to the back, join it together, and the front part you use it to interlock both together. Then you get your bow. So here I think I braided it. Like I said, I braided this part, so you can use either twisting or you can braid. So anyone that is fine for you, you do. So I braided there, and we're almost there. Just stay tuned. Now that there were a little struggle, need to lose it, redo it, lose it, redo it, but it wasn't bad. So the aim is not to give up. You need to continue. Even when you fail, you rise up again, because you want to succeed. So you don't fail and give up. You need to fail and rise up again. So right here, I was almost done with the second part, and then finish braiding. Just have to put both behind, both ends behind, and then the single one in front, you use it to cross lock both sides of the ear together. So this hairstyle can be done on, like we saw the video, it was on the like natural hair or virgin hair, whichever, on relaxed hair. So this is a relaxed hair, so you can do it on any of your hair type, and it's gonna give you the same thing. So here I was trying to gel the front of my hair. My hair is quite due, but I'm not ready to relax this hair for now. Yeah, but anyways, you still enjoy it because it will still give you that look, that cute look. Yeah, you see it's given already. Yeah, so I think I was done here. Yes, so you can see. Can you rate this hair over 100? Yeah, guys, so this is the back of the hair, and I was feeling myself. And also, you may not want the bow this wide, yeah, or long, so I tried to reduce it as well. So it depends on you. You can reduce it, you can make it a bit smaller, or you can make it a bit wider. So it's your choice. And you can also use some accessories on this hair. You can use beads, yeah, on it. You can use any accessory that you think you like. You can use some chains just in between the hair where the single hair went through the middle. So you can make this look more beautiful as you wish, and then you are good to go. Yeah, this hair will be good on kids as well, little baby girls and big baby girls. Yeah. So right, I told you have to watch this video to the end. If not, you are going to miss this other technique or other skill or other method or other step, whatever you want to call it. If you don't watch it to the end, you're going to miss it, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video. So here the hair is given. Yeah, it's given. Yeah, so here I'll be showing you another method of how you can get a perfect bow like this, yeah, without no struggle. Like in less than 2 minutes you're done. So here you just need to pack your hair. If it's one, if you want to just pack it once, or you want to divide it into two, then you do. So you're going to bow it down, then your last wrap for the hair, you're going to pack it down. Yeah, you're not going to remove the whole strands of the hair from the bow. Yeah, so the last wrap, you're to band it, you put it at the tip of your hair. Yeah, close to the tip of your hair, and then the one that is at the top, the bulky hair at the top, just like this, then you're going to just bring it, divide it down, and drop the hair, and the hair still gives you the bow style, right? Yeah, it is given. Really, it is given. So this is another method you can use to get the same style with little effort. Yeah, you can see how I rock it. Yeah. So where can I go with these hairstyles? Can you let me know in the comment section? Thank you, guys. See ya in the next video. Bye.